I am Ogheghe Ojo, an engineer and currently the Permanent Secretary of Ministry of Roads and Bridges. We get many parts of the state where we say we get bridges now. I don't know the reason why this kind of question they come. Anytime when you get place where road they pass, where maybe we need to cross river or we need to cross valley, where we say it dey within reason to spend the money to put bridge. Those are the places where they put bridge. People they consider saying a flyover and be bridge. Bridge primarily is there to serve as a crossing over a valley or over a river or over any other obstacle. That's what a bridge serves, basically. Yes, we know now, and that's why if you go Jamila now, you will say you get part of the road where we don't even the asphalt. You understand? We ourselves know say the hold up where they happen for that place is not good. So we dey look for how we go create other routes so that it go reduce the traffic where they come that Iboba slope. Now I make the governor approve the contract for Teboga Road, which is a 3-kilometer road, and then it go come out towards Aduawa. You understand? Is to also try to reduce the traffic that is concentrated on that slope. There are other roads which are in our plan for us to link Agbo Road around Guinness side. We'll link them so that it go past Apoba, come out for Sapele Road. So like somebody where they come from Agbo, you don't need to come to Oba Slope to Ramat Park. If you be saying they go maybe towards Upper Sakoba or you won't go Sapele Road. That way you will reduce the traffic when they still they come that bridge.
We dey always do protest for here. They call Obaseki, they call the Edo State Govumet. Make dem come freeze this road. Obaseki don first come here before. If he come, whether people dey collect money for am, we no know. They will come up for road. As they come again, na Shaibu and Tony Kabaka, na they come for here. Na they come beg Benin people when they dey for Sapele Road here for Ogheghe here. So they come say they will come freeze the road. Till date now they don't freeze am. We ourselves when we dey go look for our daily bread, when we dey do our handwork, then they use am say they disturb us. Whether people when they dey here, whether na their selfish interest na they dey for here, we ourselves we no know. Na we dey fight for this protest say make this road make dem fix am. Say we even say we elect Obaseki make it dey this Edo State make go. At the end of the day for ROCC for there so this rat name when I dey so Obaseki don abandon am for a very long time. He no at ten d to this side. The other one way when he dey that one don still block. Na we ourselves we no get road for here. So also from here when we dey go Oloko, we no dey fit go work, we no dey fit come back. I no know the purpose when we say we elect Obaseki make it dey for the government, make it come rule us, make it come dey fix all this road for us. Now we dey cry, we dey call the state government, make dem try, make dem abeg, make dem come do this road for us.
The time wey my oga Governor Obaseki promise dem say he go do palliative, he no do the palliative. He do the palliative na he carry Levant wey be the contractor wey federal government wan use to take repair the road now. Now oga Obaseki na bring dem come there wey dem come start to dey do the palliative. Now in addition to that, we dey liaise with the federal government because na federal government road na be that. We not supposed to just go the road go start to dey do work. So we tell them say we wan do some additional palliative for the road, especially Country Home Junction, Peanut Road Junction, PZ Junction. We want do even limit. If you go limit junction now, we don't do one. You see, say traffic dey free now. That was the plan we had for all those other junctions, so that before you get to Ogheghe, they were also supposed to walk there. Unfortunately, they say they for federal government hand. They never approved the money for the contract. Even we hear say NNPC say okay, they want help them join hand so that make it be say they do that work. Say they go provide the money, but there are processes where it be say they for the contract to be finally awarded and then to get a contractor to go to site. So we dey in contact with the federal people so that they can do that quickly but we know say our people dey, will I say they don tire. E don tey wey be say dem dey hear this story. So the only thing wey we go fit do as a government na to continue to liaise with the people wey dey in charge of that road, so that they go mobilize the contractor as quickly as possible. The thing be say we don call them, tell them say look o, this road matter wey don dey ground since. The drawings and the design wey we do, wey Edo State Government do for them to take help carry water comot for that area wey dey spoil the road, we don give am to Federal Government since last year, but we never see them wey be say dem decide move contractor come there. And we dey talk to the Federal Controller he himself don assure us say they don call the contractor, tell am say make him move to site. Contractor now dey talk say he never get paper, how he go move him equipment go site go start work? He know the thing when he first suffer the other time when he be say they move am go site, they no give am paper to collect him money. E dey very difficult, so he no go fit just carry equipment go site without make dem give am paper. Na him be the thing wey dey hold the work. For our own, we get plan for that place, just like in other places wey be say for evening people go fit go sit down for under tree, take fresh air and all those things. We wan do am as part of our beautification, wetin we call beautification and parks. But on top of that, we dey discuss with the federal people. They wan reduce the size of that Ramat Park small, so that we will fit get another lane. We don't start that discussion, but you know, most of these things, as na federal hand e dey, you no get how we go fit take rush them. But na something wey we be say we don discuss, so that once we give them the right of way, they go fit go start the construction, add that join the construction of that Benin Ekpoma road, so that that place sef go still get chance dey take more traffic. But I must also advise, you know, say our people, we be like say we no dey hear word. Many times government don talk say make people no dey carry their market come road, but our people believe say if their market no dey road, people no go quick see their market. So they themselves they contribute. So a lot more enforcement with ESMA and power is going to be done to make sure say that place where motor not supposed to park, motor not will park there. But all these are the things wey be say government won't do to make sure say we relieve the stress wey dey for that road.
Which environment they do because rain dey come?
Environment sef dey work. They do removal of silt from drainage. Now they get this beautification of parks. Now their hand na dey. So a lot of the places where be say people they go dump garbage inside our drainage. Now then they try to see say they go clear am. We dey join hand together and work with them to do this clearing. Wetin I go tell them be say make them still get patience. We support them for the thing wey be say that they do in the sense that it go make federal government realize say make they can't do the work wey dem dey do. We get many federal government roads wey dey in bad condition now for our state. Benin Auchi, Benin Ekpoma section dey there. Agbo road sef not good. Lagos road by Ovia River Bridge, that one sef get a whole problem. In fact, they even dey cause accident. We been go look at to see whether na the kind small work wey be say we fit take do palliative to save our people. Then of course the Sapele road wey be say you dey talk so. So I go say make they still exercise patience. We dey do, I'm sure say my oga himself dey talk to the minister so that make it be say they move the contractor to site as quickly as possible.
All right, thanks.
But I mean, people blocking the road, it get implication for all of us, because now all of us they suffer am. Some of my workers they will be say that they live for that side of town. To come work early, they had them. So, but people have to do what we are in a democracy. We cannot go and use force to move them come off for road.
very much.
You are welcome. Thank you very much. I thank una well well.